I tried Vault Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first downloaded Vault, I thought it was just another crypto wallet. But after 7 days of testing, the shocking truth is that Vault isn't just a wallet, it's a revolutionary way to back up and secure your digital assets using your trusted circle of friends and family. Here's how it works. Unlike traditional wallets that rely on seed phrases, Vault protects your private keys through something called distributed backup. You choose a few trusted people called guardians who each hold encrypted fragments of your vault. None of them can access your funds alone, but together, they can help you recover your wallet if you ever lose your phone or access. It's genius. During my 7-day test, I created a new vault, added 3 guardians and stored both crypto assets and keys. Process was straightforward, and the app guided me step by step. Everything was encrypted locally, meaning my data never touched Vault servers. Most people underestimate how risky it is to store private keys on cloud backups or written notes. One mistake can mean losing everything. Vault solves that by using a social recovery system that's both private and secure. It also supports integration with wallets like MetaMask and Coinbase, making it flexible for managing different crypto assets. The design was simple but professional, and I appreciated the transparency in how recovery works. Every step was verified and confirmed before proceeding. No blind trust, no confusion. By the end of my 7 days, I realized the shocking truth. Vault isn't just another wallet, it's peace of mind in app form. If you're serious about protecting your crypto from hacks, device loss or human error, Vault is a must-try. It brings real-world trust into digital security, and that's something rare in the crypto space.